friend, this is Bella. Welcome to the Bella's Creation. Today I want to draw a school. Hope you will like. For drawing, I need a white paper, pencil, eraser and a scale. Here I took the pencil that is HB. I will start to make a vertical line in down measure with 1 to 7. And the right horizontal is 2.5. Next vertical same like a down. Actually I try to make a rectangle shape here. Now on the top I'm measuring here from right side 1 to 3 and from left side that is 7 to 5. I just want to draw a half round shape here. Same measure is down. I want to draw a dome. I make a small line in the top there. Then side, I just wrap that one and make a line with the top liner to the next. For drawing window, I like to start with the right side down. Here I want to draw a two-story building, so make sure that all lines will be the same distance. During this whole drawing, we have to draw with the scale, so we have to concentrate on the lining. Make sure that all windows will be follow the same line. Using the small eraser to erase the all excess line. First we have to draw in lightly. After that, here I am using the HB for the dark lining. Just override with it. You can use the fine pens over there. Middle of the top, here I tried to draw one bell. I make a oval shape and draw a bell here. Now through this scale, I want to put a name of the school. You can put your own school name here. Our drawing is almost done. If you like my this drawing, please try it, and of course don't forget to subscribe. That's all. Bye.